Hello everyone,
and welcome to Dolly's Food Fusion, the cooking show where my wife and I attempt to recreate my family recipes.
Today we are very excited to kick off our Diwali special sweet series with a South Indian sweet called Obbattu. This goes by other names as well, including Puran Poli and Holige, and it's a stuffed flat bread filled with a mixture of jaggery and dal. So you actually get a little bit of protein in with your sweet as well. But it's one of our favorites. It's probably actually my all-time favorite thing that his mother makes for us in Calcutta, and we hope you like it too. Also, make sure you subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on the rest of our Diwali special sweet series.
So what are we waiting for?
Let's get cooking! So as for our ingredients, for our dough, we're going to be using 2 cups of maida or all-purpose flour, 1/4 cup of oil, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric, and then when it comes to our filling, we're going to be using 1 cup of chana dal soaked in 1 cup of water for 2 to 3 hours, 1 cup of jaggery powder, 1/4 teaspoon of ground nutmeg, 1/4 teaspoon of cardamom powder, 2 tablespoons of coconut, and we're also going to be using some ghee for frying. So our first step is to make our dough for the obbattu. Start with adding 2 cups of maida to a mixing bowl. To this, add 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric and 1/2 teaspoon of salt and mix this well. Now we're going to start with adding 1/4 cup of water to this. Now continually mix and keep adding water until your dough becomes sticky to your touch. When you have that sticky consistency, add 1/4 cup of oil. Continue to mix this, and you should be getting a loose consistency dough that is not sticky. After the oil is fully incorporated into the dough, if it still feels sticky, you can add more oil. When you have a very soft, loose consistency that's not sticky, you can set it aside to rest for 1 hour.
While our dough is resting, we'll be making our filling. Add your 1 cup of soaked chana dal with its water in a pressure cooker. Cook this in medium-high heat for 2 whistles. Now strain out the water and add the dal to a kadai. Set your flame to low. To this, add 1 cup of jaggery powder and mix well. When it's mixed well, add 2 tablespoons of shredded coconut. Then add 1/4 teaspoon of cardamom powder and 1/4 teaspoon of ground nutmeg. Mix well again and cook this for 2 to 3 minutes. Then remove them and keep them for cooling.
So now that our jaggery and dal mixture has cooled, we're just going to grind it into a fine paste. So our paste is ready, so now we just have to form it into balls. So we have our filling all ready now. Now I'm going to show you how to shape the obbattu. Place a piece of dough onto a sheet of butter paper and press it down lightly. Place a filling ball on top And then pull all of the edges of the dough over the ball as shown. Now we're just going to gently press this down with our hand as shown. Make sure you're pressing gently because you don't want your filling to spill out. If you happen to start seeing little holes forming on top, you can spread some extra dough over them as shown. And that's it. You can set this one aside while you form the rest of your obats.
All we have left to do is to fry the obats. Add some ghee to a tawa and heat it to medium-low. Now place your obat on top and fry for a few minutes. Now top with some more ghee and flip it over. Now just fry until you see brown spots on both sides. Fry the rest of the obats in the same manner. And that's it, your obats are ready.